In this video, I'll show you how to connect your HP Envi Inspire printer to your PC Windows computer. What I will show you next works with many different models. And I'll also show you how to print and how to scan. So let's get started right away. First step is to put this print. Step number 1, connect this printer to the Wi-Fi network. Press on the top portion of the screen once, and then you're going to press on the top left corner where you see a cogwheel. Go down this small menu and select Network Setup. Select Wireless Settings. And then go down and select Wireless Setup Wizard. It will search for every single Wi-Fi network around the printer. Just give it a few seconds and you're going to see a list. Scroll down until you see your own Wi-Fi network. Mine is right over here. Click on it. And now it's time to type the password. I wish they gave you a small keyboard to type. Obviously the screen is quite small, so maybe I understand them. You'll have to tap the button associated with your letter, sometimes multiple times, to be able to select the actual letter you want. For numbers, just click here. Once your password is typed, press Done. Then press OK. And then you're going to see connection successful. On top of that, if you check right there, you can also see how strong your signal is. So if you see that the signal is low, make sure that you bring this printer closer to your Wi-Fi network, to your router. Then on your Windows computer, this is Windows 11 by the way, but if you have Windows 10 or another one, should look about the same, click on the Windows Start button here. On Windows 10, it's on the lower left side. Once you're here, click on Settings. Next step, on the left side, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Go down and select Printers and Scanners. Then select Add Device. Make sure that your PC is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the printer. So let me click on Add Devices. And here are the printers that it has found currently connected to this Wi-Fi network. If you do not see your HP printer, here there's an Epson and that's another Epson printer, you can wait a few more seconds, usually wait a minute just to make sure. And if after a minute you do not see your printer, just click refresh. Here we go. You see, just after clicking refresh, my printer appeared. So you may have to do this multiple times. Click on Add Device. Right now it says connecting. Sometimes it can take up to 2 or even 3 minutes to connect to your printer. Sometimes there's a bug where it says connecting, but the printer is actually connected to your computer. So just close this window if nothing happens after 3 minutes. Go back in the same menu just to confirm your printer has been added. So I'll go in Settings. And if your printer is not in this list, click on Add Device again and add it again. I had some issues in the past where it took me multiple times to do the same process. So if it happens to you as well, just do it again. Okay, so now it's trying to connect again to my printer. Here we go. This time I got this screen and I got the ready message over here. So you see, if it doesn't work the first time, just try the second or the third time. Unfortunately, this is how it works. All right, so now let me show you how to print and also how to scan. So to print, just open any document on your PC. So I'll open this one over here. That's the document I want to print. Select the print icon. And under printer, make sure your HP printer is selected from the list. Select how many copies you want and the other details about your print, and when you're ready, press the blue button. Extend this tray if it's not already extended. Here we go. We got our print. Now let me show you how to use the scanner. So here we have the scan lid. Open, put it up, take your document, put your document facing down with the top part on the left side. See, like that. Then you see, bring the corner of the paper to touch the corner of the scanner over here on the top left corner. When both are touching, close the lid. On your Windows computer, we need to go back where we were previously. A quicker way to get there is to go over here where it says search in the search bar and type scan. You should see printers and scanners and click on this option. It's the same place where you were a few seconds ago and you connected the printer. Tap on your printer, then tap on scanner settings and select Get Scanner App. It will bring you to the Microsoft Store. Maybe you already have this app, by the way. Some computers comes with it. And you need to download the Windows Scan app. It's 100% free and it's very useful. Then open the app. Make sure under scanner your printer name is selected. Source, you can leave it to auto, but if your printer has two scanners, you can select the specific one that you want to use. So flatbed is the one you just saw. You may also have an automatic document feeder that is on the top of the scanner. I'll keep it to auto configure. And then the file type, so what kind of file do you want out of this scan? So a JPEG, a PNG, TIFF, other stuff like that. If you click on show more, you'll also be able to select where do you want this scan to go. So if I click here, I can select, for example, desktop, if this is where I want it to go, and click on select folder. Once you're ready, you should have a scan button right over there. You see, you may not be able to see it like in my case. If I make this window full screen, you'll be able to see it. Press on scan. Processing, and you're gonna get a message on the top that the scan has been saved. You can click the view button and it will open the document right away. So this is my document. You can zoom in, do whatever you want to do with the document. You see it's on the desktop. So this is it. This is how you use your HP Envi Inspire printer with your PC computer. I hope my tutorial was helpful. If you want to support my channel, please check the Amazon affiliate links down below. If you want to get some ink from your printer, some paper, or if you want to get a brand new printer, every time you click through my links, I get a very small commission when you buy stuff on Amazon. And this keeps my channel going. So comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.